Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. This is a very special day for us, Matthew, Bearded Lumber, and America. This is America's 250th year. And I'm old enough to remember our 200th in 1976. I was a little young, 8-9-year-old, but I remember it. I remember it being a big deal. And this is a huge deal. You look around the world, countries that have survived 250 years and prospered, and America's truly prospered, and we're prospering exponentially currently. So this video is about that, and something I'm going to do for celebrating America's 250th is over at Butler's, and we're going to pick it up this morning. Something never thought I would achieve in my life of buying. It's not overly expensive. It's just dealing with the government part of it. And that's become easier, so I did it. So we'll hold you in suspense. We're going to run over there. Got to pick up Henry this morning. He's going to go with us. And we're going to run by Butler's Jewelry and Pawn and pick up what I've been waiting on. And we'll take you for the journey. Okay guys, welcome back. We made a short trip over here to Forest City, North Carolina, going in Butler's. Matthew probably showed you a clip of the front door. If you're coming over here, you can drive around back. I got plenty of parking. We're gonna go in here and talk to Tim, I think. That's why you keep your name. Yeah, Tim Davis, about getting our add-on added to our AR. So let's go in and chat with him a minute. Good morning,
hey,
Bill. All right. Here's, see Mr. Tim.
Tim is not here today.
Well, you'll have to do then. Pick it up.
What we doing?
Picking up my suppressor.
Picking up a suppressor. All right.
Okay guys, Matthew got some B-roll while we was in there. The main guy we want to talk to, Tim, he was unfortunately on vacation, and the guy that assembled the suppressor for our AR, he said it won't be on camera. He was wanted by 3 different states. I said wanted by women in 3 different states don't count. But he didn't want to be on film, so we didn't film him. We were respectful of that. Henry got a knife. Matthew, you bought another knife. I bought a box of ammo, and we picked up our tripod we forgot left it here the other day. Wonderful people. If you're in need of this kind of stuff, you live in North Carolina, come by and see them. We'll leave a link to Butler's Jewelry and Pawn here in Main Street, Forest City. Great people to work with. They can handle all your state, local, federal type hoops you have to jump through to do different things. If you don't know, you don't have a concealed weapon, then it's a little different process of, you don't have a CWP, it's a little different process buying short guns. As far as I know, you can buy long guns in any state pretty much, but they'll help you work through the process. They'll be glad to do it. That's gonna do it. We're gonna head towards the house, get a little work done. Oh yeah, on the AR, I forget the brand name, but they basically Loctited the adapter on, and he said do not fire it for 24 hours. So we'll come back tomorrow and finish this up after it's had time to cure. So we'll see you shortly.
I can hold yours without a tripod. I don't know about that. I can hold it.
Okay guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. It's the next day for us. We're gonna try to get this in before the rains come. Michael's down here with his boy Henry. Henry's been helping us the last couple days, and he's got his AR, so we can do a side-by-side sound comparison. I shot mine a couple times before he got here, and then he showed up and shot a couple times, and I'm like, whoa, that is a big difference in the neighborhood. And figure out, we're using a new tripod here, so you don't necessarily have to wear. You always need to wear hearing protection, but this gun don't seem to be near as bad compared to a standard one. I'm gonna fire off a round, Michael.
Hot's going.
Okay, it still has a great deal of noise. Let's compare it to a non-suppressed one.
Hey, can you aim that down? I'm going to angle the box. Is it loaded?
I don't know if that comes through on camera, how much a difference that makes. Makes quite a difference to what I'm hearing. Ow. I got a few left here.
Can I keep the wood?
Oh, Lord. I thought he was done. The tripod's shaking on him.
Shrinking.
There you go. Okay, guys, I think that bears no argument. If you're at all interested in a suppressor on what it can do to lower the decibel volume. What do you think? At least 50% improvement?
At least.
At least a 50% improvement over just the sheer crack of it. This is our 250th anniversary of America being founded, guys. And this is part of what our country was founded on. Especially our First Amendment rights, our Second Amendment rights, our Fourth and Fifth Amendment rights, guys. I don't take these lightly, by no means. If we don't stand up for our rights, we will lose them, okay? I understand why some people dislike what we're doing. It's America. Feel free to dislike. I enjoy it. I'm one of them people, I think every law-abiding citizen ought to be armed and protect themselves. There's not a cop in this land that I trust to take care of my family and these grandkids. That's my job. That's his daddy's job. Cops are good people. Got nothing against them, as long as they're not out trying to violate my rights. But it's not their job to protect me and my family. It's my job to protect them, and I call them and say, something's happened, you need to come and investigate, do your part of the legal aspect of it. It's already been handled, okay? We don't talk a lot about that on this channel, but I am a true First, Second, Fourth, Fifth Amendment type person. You don't abridge those rights. Don't even talk about abridging those rights. And we'll be just fine. We'll be good neighbors from now on. So, the whole video was, about purchasing an AR with a suppressor and all the paperwork you got to go through to get it. Our current administration has made this a lot simpler. I've talked to people that waited 6 months, a year, year and a half in times gone by a few years ago to get one of these, and it was 7 days. The guy I talked to at the pawn shop, he said it come back as short as 2 days. So if you're all interested, now's the time to do it. Just go to your local gun shop. If you have a gun, take it with you so they can make sure everything fits, because sometimes you need adapters. Get all that sorted. They'll fill out your paperwork, walk you through the process. I didn't even have to buy the suppressor up front, but I went ahead and paid for it all while I was there. As soon as you get your approval back, you go back and you fill out the same paperwork like you was buying a firearm, and you're good to go. So, oh yeah, here's Henry shooting. He was all on it.
I almost hit the same spot 4 times.
Teach them young, people.
And then twice. I'll put the sticker.
Living in America is a privilege, guys. It's not a right. It's a privilege. And we have to stand up for that privilege. Many have fought and died for the privileges that we have as Americans. And I never want to take that lightly. And, some generations may get by without having to fight, but it seems like over the last 100 years, every generation or every two, there's been some kind of global conflict that they've been involved with. World War I, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Mogadishu, take your pick. There's a lot of men and women that have stood up and fought for our country. And if you're alive, guys, I appreciate it. If you moved on, I'll see you on the other side, and I'll tell you thank you there. But that's going to do it, guys. Hope you learned something. Got any comments? I'm sure you do. Drop in the comment section. Always remember to be nice. I don't delete nobody unless you're rude or vulgar, okay? If you got a rude comment, keep it to yourself. That's going to do it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy America's 250th birthday. Get out and do something patriotic. Fly a flag. Wear a red, white, and blue shirt. I've seen some beautiful red, white, and blue shirts, overalls, different things. Find you something. Prove to the American people that you are a patriot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.
Freaking fine.